What's up, y'all? So I've been jamming outdoors, as y'all know, and I'm actually going to take the CBR600rr out for a ride. I'm currently working on the other CBR, trying to do some tank work to mount the odometer on. I've got the tires coming in today and tomorrow. Hopefully that'll get in. I can put that all together and get the video out soon. The Gixxer's going to be coming out kind of soon too, so I've been busy, but I'm going to take this for a ride because I haven't showed y'all yet of me riding this in good shape. You know, I showed y'all when it broke down, but that's about it. Let's see, bike's at 24,264. I put the motor in at 22,000 something, so almost 3,000 miles. Let's go. Power. Aw, dang it. Thought I was gonna make that. Sorry guys, I haven't been posting much. It's kind of hard to keep everything going, you know, with working a full-time job and all, and then also trying to rebuild all these bikes. I still have the swing arm repair to do. I gotta put some duct tape around the welds, sand the welds down, and then rebrush it. The finish is actually brushed aluminum, which I've never done that before, so hopefully it'll go smooth, but I just haven't done that. And then after I do that, this bike will be ready to sell. But the other CBR will be done kind of soon, I think. That's gonna be my play bike. Like, this bike I'm not gonna really destroy or anything because this bike is really nice. But my other bike now, that one's gonna be a beater. That one's gonna be a whole lot of fun to dink around on. Man, I love it. It sounds so good. Just gonna really do a short ride today, just to give y'all some content because I haven't posted much. Man, this thing sounds so good at higher RPMs when it shifts. Oh, this thing's killer. Oh shoot, there's a cop right there. Thankfully I didn't do anything stupid. Like a woolly. But like I was saying, I'm gonna finish up the crappier CBR soon and hopefully be able to dink around on it, have some off-road videos for y'all. The Gixxer, like I said, is, you know, it's in the process of being fixed. You know, the framework is just a lot of work, and so I'm just trying to work on that frame, get it all sorted out, because it's, you know, it's a real pain in the butt when you don't have the right tools. Another popo. They're all out today. Oh, I could pass, but I'm not. Just gonna take it a little bit easy, not gonna be too stupid today. I try not to be that one that everybody hates on the road, because nobody likes that. Nobody likes them. Guys always zooming around them. Now, don't get me wrong, if somebody is going super slow, I will most definitely pass them, like right here. Or here. Ooh, buzzard. Got some wildlife. We're actually going to Circle B Reserve. It's a pretty cool place. It's really beautiful too. Let's see if they don't go super slow. You could have a little bit more fun. Come on, bruh. Get forward, Ranger! Caution, wildlife crossing. Where's the wildlife at? How you doing walking in the middle of the road, dog? I love all this moss hanging from the trees. Kind of reminds me of Savannah, Georgia. There's a ton of the moths hanging out of the trees. It's just absolutely spectacular. Come on, bruh. Going so flipping slow. Oh, armadillo. It's a dilla. Got a diller. An armadillo. An armadillo. An armadillo. Huh. Be funny. It's an armadillo. What's up, bruh? What's up, bro? What are you doing? He was not fazed by me. It's another one over here too, so. Nasty animal. Alright, there we go. Now we get to go a little faster. Such a pretty day. Heck yeah. Whoa. Good Lord. Man, I love it when you are super high RPMs into shift. It sounds like it spits. Oh, freaking love that. My exhaust wasn't so long, I'd probably say there's flames coming out, but since the exhaust is super long, comes out all the way on the tail, I don't think the fire comes out. Woo, doggy. That's really one thing that I don't understand is why guys think that they need 1000s. It's like, I mean, yeah, that wasn't the fastest pass, but seriously, I downshifted a couple gears and just ramped on it, and it takes off. I really don't understand why guys are like, oh, I need 1000. Like, oh, that's too small. 600? Oh, it's only, that's 400 cc's less than I need. Like, are you kidding me, bro? Like, 600s are insanely fast. If you've ever rode a 650, like a Ninja 650 or like an FZ6R or something similar, the power is a lot different. The power is insanely different. So this is like 120 horsepower, and the FZ6Rs and the 650s have like 50. So they are way less in horsepower. So these things just really get up and go if you want them to. It's plenty fast, honestly. Like you don't really need that fast of a bike. No one needs 1000, man. The 1000s are like, just, you know, it's like a 1500 horsepower street car. There's no need for it at all. Like, I probably could have downshifted another time or two, but like, you know, that's plenty fast right there for me. You know, I'm already probably gonna kill myself on a bike, a sport bike. So that's kind of why I'm trying to convert this other CBR into more like on-road, off-road. So I will not catch myself on-road as much going super high speeds. I got the Continental TKC 80s coming for that bike. They're 60/40s. So 60% off-road, 40% on-road, and the actual speed rating is 100 miles per hour. And so really that bike, I shouldn't be pushing it more than 120 probably. I mean, it would probably not be smart, especially with the tires and just the bike when it's done. It's not going to be you know, built for high speeds like this one is. This one's got, you know, street tires on it. It's got clip-ons. It's got, you know, everything is properly balanced. That bike, I'm gonna have freaking gas can on it, you know, waterproof boxes. I have a tank here. Like, I have a ton of crap on it. It's probably not gonna be the safest thing. Just to have it at higher speeds. It'll be a slower bike for sure, and I feel like that's way better for me because I know I'll catch myself. I mean, I've already gone 100 miles per hour, and I'm, you know, kind of just chilling, you know, just kind of having fun with it. I'm not really doing anything crazy, but I mean, I've hit 120 on this thing, easy. I mean, you know, I think I've proven the bike, its durability and its longevity so far, at least. Almost 3,000 miles on this engine rebuild. And it got tons of power. I actually commute on this bike. You know, I go from here in Lakeland to Orlando every day, and it's about 100 miles round trip. It's not a bad bike driving back and forth from work. You know, highway speeds, it's not bad. You got the fairing, so it kind of blocks most of the wind. It's not the most comfortable thing, being a super sport and all, but, you know, it works. It's a lot cheaper than my truck. Let's see if I can find the way home without actually driving on the same roads back. Let's see, this is a main thoroughfare which goes back the direction of home, and so I'm saying let's hit it. Got a Ducati, it looks like. Oh, another sport bike. That's a 300. Like if I was on the other CBR, I'd go down there and hit those bumps right there. You know, I'd just send it, jump those a little bit. The other bike is gonna be built for to have fun on. Yeah, like that would be so much fun to jump, play around on. No hands. Woo! Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna want to put my hands out for that right there. And I think this is going to be a pretty good video. I mean, I apologize that it's not like, you know, a really good rebuild video or something, but I thought I might as well show y'all me riding this bike because I have not shown it yet, other than like just a small clip. Oh shoot! Oof. I don't know if you heard, but my rear tire slid a little bit. Oh, sketch! All this power, America. I mean, I guess Japanese. I do wish America made more sport bikes, even though Japan's really good at making them. I mean, the Japanese are perfect. They make stuff priced well. They make really reliable vehicles. Even when you got a doofus like me rebuilding the motors, they still work. It's a testament to Japanese engineering. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. And let me know if y'all want to see more of this, of me riding. I actually ride most days to work, and so I got videos of me on I-4 all day, every day. I got so many incidents. Anyway, I'll see you on the flip side.